CATYZIY is a 37-in-1 micro precision screwdriver kit. And what we're going to briefly demonstrate is I got a product that may be broken, and I'm going to pick the bit and see how it works and show you what it's all about. We're going to open up the product, show you how nicely they come. They're packaged and protected by plastic inside. And it has a little template guide in the back over here in paper. It's a magnet, so you can stick it on anywhere that's magnetic, and I'll show you. Right here, I got a magnet on the microphone, and there you go. So you can see it holds on to something metal, right? The logo is nicely printed in a grayish color. It opens up by just pushing down, and you got all the tools necessary inside. You got the handle. Is shaped as a pencil, a little rotation knob that you hold, and all you do is find the correct tool that you want. 37 different designs. You got small Phillips, the magnetic inside. You got small Torx that you simply grab. And we need to have like one of these Phillips right here, so we grab the one right here. Apologize for the hands being in the way. We grab it out. It's magnetic on the tip over here. It snaps in and it holds into place, and we simply stick it on to the hole, and we do our best to feel to lock in. If it's too small, we need to pick a bigger one. As we put in a different one, feel for it. With the difficulty of finding the right one, it is a Torx bit right here. And on the Torx bit, there should be a number. If there's not a number, you could try to look around the whole thing, but that is the Torx bit. If you have a snake bit, a security bit, they give you just one. And that's what this is. It's for security areas. These are very fragile. Please be careful. So we're going to take the screw, unscrew, and pull out. We'll do our best to try to show you a close-up shot as the piece fits in. So here we are taking everything out to figure out what the problem is and using a 37-in-1 Torx bit set. Depending on the length of the shaft, this is about a 1/2 inch depth. Once everything's pulled out, and it's quite the norm of this unit having right here, grabbing all the screws that came out, we have the tool that's magnetic that holds in. And simply holding on the top and spinning the tool is easy as placing in the Torx, flathead, Phillips, and more. And you did your repair to the unit, now you're able to use your unit for the next time. You have all the drill bits that fits in the magnetic case. You have the tool that fits in and snaps in, that nothing falls out with a little shake. Put the case back on and you're ready for the next time of use. A portable unit that will fit in your pocket, purse, in your tool bag, and more. I hope you enjoy your mini micro precision screwdriver kit, Torx, flats, Phillips, and security bit, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.